Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to work with DMA, and basically DMA, which stands for direct memory access, allows data to be transferred from memory to another device without involving the CPU. And you can use all the peripherals with DMA such as ADC, uart, SPI, etc. And there is three ways to work with the DMA. One of them would be peripheral to memory, then memory to peripheral, and memory to memory. I will cover all of them, but today's video is about to work with the memory to memory. So we are going to store some data in a memory, then I will send it to another destination in that memory. In order to do so, we should go to cubeide, create a new project. Here select the board. The name of the project would be M2M, which means memory to memory. And next, finish. Here the first step is to clear the pinout. And then we should go to system code DMA. Some microcontrollers just have one DMA, which is used for peripheral to memory and memory to peripheral. And if your microcontroller has DMA2, which means you can use it as a memory to memory. Add memory to memory. Alright. The mode should be normal. Here we have some settings. This is for source memory, the source location, and this is for destination memory, and the place or the address that you are going to put your data. And the data bit could be byte, half word, or word. Byte means 8 bit, half means 16 bit, and word would be 32. So I'm going to use 8 bit. And there is no setting to do. That's all you have to do. Let's go to clutch. Alright, save it. And as you can see, our DMA is stream 0. You can use all the stream. That means channel. So let's wait. So let me get back and show you once more. Our DMA is stream 0. You can change it to any stream you want. But I want it to be 0. Alright, let's get back to the main. So our DMA was created successfully. DMA2 stream 0. And as you remember, we created our DMA to work with 8 bit. So we should create a 8 bit variable. And this is our source address. So I'm going to put 10 value here. 0, 1. So this is our value and our source address. And this is going to be our destination address. So I'm going to send this value to the destination. These are 10 and our destination get 10 value. So let's get to our main. First we should initialize our DMA. All DMA start. Our source address would be this. destination, and data length would be 10. But let me show you. This is our source and this is our destination, as we did here, source, destination, and this is why our DMA2 STM0. But here's a trick that you should consider. In order to send it to another destination, you should change it to 32-bit, unsigned integer 32-bit, source and destination. Alright, and this should be 32. And next step is to wait until all the value and data has been transferred. So halt DMA, pull for transfer, and the complete level would be halt DML full transfer, which means our data has been transferred successfully, and the timeout would be 100. Here we should wait, so create a while, and if it's transferred, we use halt OK. So here I will wait until the transfer is completed. If a transfer is completed, that means our data has been sent. And this is our while loop. It has nothing in it. And let's build it. So basically we use DMA in order to not disturb the CPU, and CPU can do other code, and we will send our data with DMA without using or overheating the CPU, which is why we use DMA. So let's wait until the building is complete. And no error, no warning. So let's load it on the board. It was loaded successfully. Let's go to debug section. In the debug section, we should go to live expression, add expression. One of them is our source. The next one would be destination. So as you can see, in our source address we have the value, but in our destination we don't have it because we haven't run the code yet. So if I run it, I should receive all these values in our destination. Let's see. And as you can see, we have the value, which means we could successfully send the value in other destination in the memory. This is called memory to memory with DMA. So in other video, I will show you how to work with other preflows such as ADC uart and with DMA. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any questions, write them down in the comment section below. Bye.